In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the username that you have on TikTok. The first thing we are going to do is go to our TikTok application and going to our pro-life. In your pro-life, you can see edit pro-life, and here we can see the username. The username is very important, and select here, and we will can change the username, can all contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your life. You can change your username once every 30 days. And don't forget to ask how did you like it, and if you need a specific videos, leave in the comment. That's all, guys.